Good evening. It is Sunday. Y'all, I'm getting a late start cooking and everything. But guess what? Merry Christmas to me. I got me a KitchenAid Professional 600 mixer. It's a 6-quart, 575 watt. I got it from QVC. It was $2.99. Yeah, it was $2.99. Okay, so what we're making here, I'm making a 7-up pound cake. So what I already have in my bowl is the 3 sticks of butter, and now I'm going to add in my 3 cups of sugar. And we're going to mix that until it's fluffy. And then we're going to add 5 eggs one at a time. And y'all, what I like about this mixer, look at how it's wiping the sides of that clean. It has a little guard that wipes that clean. I am so excited like a little kid. Honestly, I am. So I've been wanting one because I do a lot of baking, especially for church. So we mixed that. So now we're going to mix our 5 eggs one at a time. Oops, yeah, I did too. Oh well, it should be fine. I don't want to bore you. I'll just come back when I get all of them mixed until we get to the next step. Okay, my batter is light and fluffy. And so now it tells us to add your 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And it says add a teaspoon of vanilla, but I added half a teaspoon of vanilla and half of lemon juice. So we're going to mix that and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, this is not what the recipe says, but this is something I like. I like sour cream in my cake mixes. This is about 6 ounces I'm going to add in there. Add that in there, and then you add your flour and your 7-Up. And good things I had gotten these on sale, so I had one. So I haven't been drinking a lot of soda, so I do have a 7-Up. It's 3/4 of a cup of 7-Up. You add that and your flour alternately. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that. I don't want to bore you with this, and I'll come back. Okay, y'all, so here is the finished batter. And this spoon comes with it. And that's the consistency of it. We're going to bake it. It says to bake it, I think it said for 65 or 75 minutes. So I'll do that and come back and show you what it looks like. This is my first time using my new KitchenAid, so I'm happy about that. And I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, y'all, here's my cake. I've never had a cake where the whole top part of it came off of me, but it come together. And here's what it looks like. Let me zoom out a little bit. And I want y'all to see how moist it is. Honestly, it melts in your mouth. All right, y'all. Good night.